Okay guys, back here at Pulse Car Audio. I just went through and set the crossover settings and everything. Oh, by the way, Gary did his install himself, so props to him for all that one. Of course he had to rep me a little bit, appreciate that. I did the box for him, but he's got two DD15s in here. You can see them. I know it's a little dark, but you can see them, they're there. Amps he's running, he's got a power base 4K on the mids and high, or on mids and highs, yeah, that'd be great. On the subs, and he's got a power base 40, or the XTA 40.4, so he's got about 40 watts on each mids and highs, not bad. His doors, he's got the DDA components, front and back. Put a crossover on the outside of the front door. You can see the term lab meter in there. I'm gonna do, we're gonna play a little country in it. I know over at Cali and stuff like that, you guys don't listen to that over there, but this is the eastern shore of Maryland, Delaware, and Virginia. Country is a big thing here, so we're gonna play a little country through it. We're gonna play a couple hip hop and stuff too. Don't worry, we're gonna kind of give you a little idea, but this truck honestly sounds fantastic. We're both pretty stoked about the way it sounds right now. I thought it sounded pretty good to begin with. In fact, he's been doing the concert showdown at PCA series events, and he's been doing pretty good. He's won the last two. And I'm gonna be honest with you, this truck sounds better now than it did then. So thanks to the SMD dd1 for helping me get that set up. And we're gonna turn on some music and let you enjoy it for a minute. I'm gonna play a couple different songs, so if you don't like it, just wait a minute. The song will change. I'm gonna play about 30 seconds or so.
So close to me. Wow. It's hard to fight these feelings when it feels so hard to breathe. I'm caught up in this moment, caught up in your smile. Never moving up to anyone. So hard to hold back when I'm holding you in my arms. Let's just take it slow. Just a kiss on your lips in the moonlight, just a touch of the fire burning so bright. I don't wanna mess this thing up, I don't wanna push too far. Just a shot in the dark that you just might be the one I've been waiting for my whole life. So baby,
play a couple other songs for you here. Uncle Cracker, Smile.
You're better than the best. I'm lucky just to linger in your life. Cooler than the flip side.
Wow. That sounds good in here, man.
Completely unaware. Nothing compared to where you sent me. Lets me know that it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. In the moments when my good times start to fade, you make me smile like the sun falling and sing like a bird, dancing in my head, spinning like a record, crazy on a Sunday night. You make me dance like a fool, forget how to breathe, shine like gold, lost like a dream, just to know that you can tell me why. Oh, you make me smile.
I don't know if you can pick it up on there, but it is loud in here. Definitely filling this bag. Consider how much power's in there, it's clean.
Like a memory from your grandpa's attic. The song comes slipping through the radio static. Change